Welcome to an analysis on Polygon Matic. If you're new to the channel, this is Pelly where we do everything crypto. That's technical analysis, NFTs, the metaverse, passive income opportunities in DeFi, you name it, right? If that's something you're interested in, be sure to hit the subscribe button and join the fam and come get educated with the gang, But quick disclaimer, this is not nothing. None of these videos are investment advice, financial advice. This is just strictly educational purposes only. Do your own research, okay? With that being said, let's get into the charts. Okay, so on Matic, this is the daily candle, the daily time frame, and initially, right off the bat, what we can see, let me remove this squiggly line. Initially, what we can see is price still at support, right? And not to mention, but we had a higher closing yesterday, and we closing higher than we closed yesterday. That's one check mark in the box for bulls. And our low of today was much higher than our low of yesterday. Okay, so that's good for bulls as well. And not to mention, so we pushed down and price seems to print a bullish candlestick or pin bar off of support, which shows that price had pushed down, bears had pushed price down, and bulls came in, overpowered the bears, and allowed the candle to close bullish. So let's go in the 4 hour. So in the 4 hour, initially we can see that price broke above this bearish counter trend line, thus saying that bearish pressure has been weakening. And that was confirmed. We also saw that on a daily when candle closed bullishly, while also rejecting strongly off of this strong support, right? So yes, we broke above this counter trend line. So what we would need now to go to the upside is some sort of retest, giving us a higher low, right? Something like that. But I would say, even though we broke above this counter trend line, we did not break this resistance to the left here. So that's an area to pay attention to. Dropping low on the 1 hour time frame, getting a better look at what's happening. We can see that structure broke on the 1 hour. Why? Because this downtrend that was on the lower time frame, aka the 1 hour, these are the lower highs. And as you can see, price just put in a higher low or higher high and a higher low. But if and when price comes, make a retracement and say it finds support and then go, this higher low will confirm that we are on an uptrend on the 1 hour time frame. Okay, so with that being said, that's how our overall right now market was looking. Now let's look at trading opportunities, how we can capitalize off of price action. Okay, so for the buyer side, for bulls, if you're looking for a bullish trade, or if price give us a bullish opportunity, would look like we already made this high on the on the 1 hour. So now we're waiting for price to find support and then give us a bullish entry reason off of that support, and then there we take it to the nearest resistance or nearest structure level. Right, that's a bullish opportunity. Bearish opportunity would be price would have to break back below here, right? Basically just do something like that. And I think the most safer sells or least risky sell opportunity would be price breaking below this level of support right here and coming down, right? And this is the 1 hour, so I probably wouldn't pay attention too much to sells below here, because this is a very strong support that we're on right now. So to take sales from this level, depending on what type of trader you are, obviously, but I would wait until the 4 hour close below this support. Personally, I need to see the 4 hour close below there, and then and if you do get that, then our next level could be right here. That would be our next level to pay attention to, which is at about $1.20, right? Looking at the daily, what I'm seeing is price seems to be finding support, right? And it looks like it could push up. And I'm not saying this push up is going to be its move to continue bullish, but at least we're gonna push up to somehow form a new structure level, which right now, since on the daily, we are in a transition phase from downtrend. Since right now on the daily, we are in a transition phase from uptrend to downtrend, and we just most recently broken this higher low and printed a lower low. It's only fair to say that right now we are expecting price to, or waiting for price to, put in a lower high here, so we could, and if it does do that, we would be entering off of bearish upper entry signals to the downside, because this lower high would be confirming the break of structure right here to the left. Now, if we do not get those opportunities for bulls, man, I would need to see some break of this counter trend line and then put in a higher low, and then I would get in off of this move right here, this higher low being forming to the upside, right? And but my most immediate take profit would be right here, which is at $2.40. Why? Because price could make this move here, and if we push to here, it can still come back down, you know. So if a formation like this do occur, at least, and we was enter at this point here, at least we know we would take some profit here. Now at least we know we got some profit from that move, and then second TPs would be about here around $2.90. This is all, now remember, this is all speculative. Trade as you see, not as you think. Anything can happen. This is just me giving us a hypothesis off of the current candles that I'm seeing right now on the charts. Okay, but looking at the daily close, the 4 hour, the 1 hour, right, it seems as if price could be starting its transition into a bullish trend again. But don't sleep on bears. Okay, if you like that video, smash the like button and subscribe.